Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be updating the Gold Miners Junior GDXJ here. This is an ETF. We don't cover this one, but we do cover the GDX in the service, right? So the structure should be kind of similar to each other. And here we got GDXJ. Looking for a possible nest here, 1 2 1 2, right? Either it is a nest or it could be a diagonal 1 2 3 4 5 in the initial leg, but we have already broken above the consolidation here, right? And the path of the least resistance in my opinion is higher instead of going down again. Now remember, I think this is the major low that we have in the $16 here, and it's hard to think that we're gonna break below that again, because if you measure the 100% extension from the peak here, that doesn't make any sense. We cannot go so low until negative 96, right? That's the 100% extension. It's not going to happen. So we are running out of space on the downside, and this is your major grand super cycle low in the gold miners junior here. So again, we're going to start setting up to have a multi-year, maybe multi-decade even bullish market. Okay, so we just barely start in this bullish market. As you can see, we just barely breaks above here, so it's still a long way to go, many years to come here. And this is the monthly time frame. Let's take a look at the daily. Now in the daily, we can see from this wave 2 we got this 1 2, right? We got this 1 2, and then from there we can see what looks like a 5 waves up, and now looking for a pullback. Now to be honest, the pullback, we have scope to correct larger degree, because this correction now could be correcting this entire 5 waves up, right? So in other words, it can be shallow or it can be deeper. We don't know for sure 100% where the correction is going to end up, right? But we know it is bullish against this beginning of the 5 waves. Can it retest the trend line in the worst case scenario, like this breakout? Yeah, possible. We can do a, let's say, 5 waves down, 3 waves up, another 5 waves down, so to retest this before higher, and still considered to be bullish because it is bullish against this wave 2 overall, right? So in the shorter cycle, we can only speculate how shallow or how deep the pullback is going to be. Now because I'm bullish overall, I have to be projecting or forecasting something that is more aggressive. So in other words, anytime I can see a 3 pullback, I would project more aggressively that the pullback can be complete. So if I downgrade again to the 4 hour, you can already see this 1 2 3. Even on the daily time frame, you can already see it, right? So the 4 hour, therefore, so you can see ABC, and if I do the extension analysis, then I can find that the 100% extension is 42.37 to 40.03. Again, this is the most aggressive projection that we can find support from here after 3 waves, and we can extend again, resume the rally higher. Now that doesn't mean we cannot correct further to the downside. Remember, I said that we are actually correcting this 5 waves up. So can it be only this 3 pullback and rally higher? Yes, it can. In a pretty strong bullish market, that's all you need, 3 pullback and then rally. But it could also become, let me give you 2 other options. The other option is this 3 pullback is only ending your W. You're going to have an X, which is a correction higher, and then you're going to have another 3 down, so a double zigzag like this. This is another option. So in this case, you have W here, you get a reaction X, and then you get a Y, so you got a big 3 swing finishing to here before turning higher, right? So that's another option. And then yet the other option is 1 instead of EP, 1 2 3. I don't like this option, honestly. Probably this is the least likely option. The other 2 is both possibilities. This is the least likely. 5 ways down, ending only A here, and then you got a B, and then you get a C. So that will be the least likely from my point of view. Now, because this leg here, it looks like we can already see almost a 5-way or 3-way subdivision. So it seems like the C leg will not extend as low as, you know, as low as the 1.618. So therefore, less likely to become a wave 3, since this one is already well developed here in terms of, you know, the sub wave here. Okay, so all in all, again, I will be projecting the most aggressive view that we can find support 42.37, $40, and that's it. That's the end of the correction, and then we can start to continue higher to new high, and alternate we rally and do a double before we finally go higher. Either way, it is bullish as long as we stay above this $30.70, which is the beginning of the 5-way move here. All right, so that is the update from the GDXJ, guys. So hopefully you enjoy it, and see you guys again next time.